lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my incredibly delicious and mouth-watering beef burger recipe with you. This recipe is going to take your burger game from 0 to 100, and trust me, you're going to love this one. So guys, settle down, let's get cooking. But before we start, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post subsequent videos. For my beef burger, I'm using some minced beef. I also have some lettuce, some fresh tomatoes, lemon, and white onions. I'm also using some burger buns. We made this last week. A link to the video will be shown on your screen. I also have some onion powder, ketchup, some salt, some mayonnaise, some mustard, and black pepper. I also have Yaji, and I have some cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. I also have some paprika and vegetable oil. So first we'll be seasoning our beef. I will start by seasoning it with some salt, some dry paprika, yaji, garlic powder, and some black pepper. I'm going to give this a good mix. I'll be seasoning it with this liquid Maggi seasoning. I like the flavor it adds to my marinated meats. Once everything is well incorporated, you just share your beef into a few sections, maybe 4, depending on the quantity of your beef. I'm going to make a ball shape with this. So I shared mine into 4 sections, and I'm making 4 small balls from them. So once you're done making your meatball, you're just going to let this sit in your refrigerator for at least 5 minutes while you prep the rest of the ingredients. Next, I'll be prepping my vegetable. I'm going to start with my fresh tomatoes. So I'm just going to cut this round. I'm making 2 beef burgers, so I'm just going to slice 2 medium-sized tomatoes. After slicing, just transfer it into your bowl. I'll also go ahead to slice my onions. I'm also going to cut a few leaves of my lettuce. As you can see, it's neatly washed, so make sure you wash it. So these are the ones we'll be using. So I'm also going to use some lemon juice. I'm just going to cut this open. If you have your citrus press, you can use that. I don't need much, so I'm just going to squeeze the juice out of the lemon. So that's okay for what we're doing. So we have our lemon juice ready over here. Next, I'm going to be making my cream that I'm going to use for dressing. First, I'm going to transfer some mayonnaise into a clean bowl, followed by some ketchup. I'm using 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I also have 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I have 1 tablespoon of mustard, followed by my garlic powder, some yaji, some salt, using 1/8 teaspoon of salt, some paprika. And lastly, I'll be going in with some lemon juice. Once you have all your ingredients in your bowl, just go ahead to mix it thoroughly so that all the ingredients can combine perfectly. So guys, our cream dressing is ready. Our burger dressing is ready. Hey guys, these are minced beef balls. They are well rested, and we'll just go ahead to fry this. To fry your meats, you have to heat up some vegetable oil in a pan, and then go in with your meatballs. You're going to press this down with your spatula. When it's well fried, you flip over so both sides can fry very well. Our minced beef is well fried. We'll be topping it with some mozzarella cheese just so the cheese can melt. So guys, our beef is ready. We are going to take it off the heat. Next, I'm just going to heat up my onion in heavy fire for a little bit. I'm going to season this with some black pepper. Flip it over. This is just so that you don't have raw tasting onions. So guys, we're going to take this off for heat. We're also going to heat up our buns. So we'll just cut open our buns and place it on our pot. This is going to just heat it up a little, and then we'll take this off the heat. Your buns shouldn't stay on heat for so long. It's supposed to be just for a couple of seconds and you're done. So lovelies, we are done with the prepping and it's plating time. So these are our burger buns. First, we'll start by coating it with some cream. I like to coat both sides with my cream. I think it just makes it taste really nice. So on the bottom side, we're going to place our lettuce, followed by some tomatoes. I'm going to sprinkle a little salt and a little black pepper. I'm also going to add my onion. Next, you'll be adding your beef. Then you cover the buns and your beef burger is ready. Hey lovelies, this is how you make your delicious and mouth-watering burger buns at home from scratch to finish. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and turn on the notification bell so you see our next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next video.